This is our 16 liters automatic sensor trash can with LED light, and we'll be checking this one out right after the intro. So here we go with our 16 liters automatic sensor trash can with LED lights. So our color right here, as you can see, is light gray, and it is indeed 16 liters. So for dimensions, this one measures 34 cm in height, 20.5 cm in thickness, and 21.5 cm in width. So these are the items we have gathered from the box. So this one is an automatic trash bag box. This is our included trash bags. So this one goes here. We have the battery cover. So to operate this one, you need 4 AA batteries. This is the built-in pressure ring, which we would be also installing on our automatic sensor trash can right there. And last but not least, we have some paperwork or user manual. So first, I will show you how to install the automatic trash bag box right here inside our automatic sensor trash can. So as you can see on the inside of our trash can right there, there's actually two places where we can install our automatic trash bag box. One on the front and one on the back. So we would be installing that on that one right there. So start by getting our included trash bag right here. We put it inside our trash bag box. So you can see there are grooves here on the side. So that's going to be coinciding with the poles inside the trash can. Okay, so put the included trash bags inside the box. Make sure that you put a slack so we can pull this out accordingly when we need it, because this side would be flush to the walls of our trash bag. Okay, and there we go. If you need a fresh sheet of trash bag, you just need to pull from here and install it on our trash can right here. Now for the built-in pressure ring, a square plastic right here, which we will be installing just on the upper part of our automatic sensor trash can right here. You can see that there are grooves in there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But before we put it in place, we need to install a fresh trash bag over it. So there are markers on the end of each sheet of trash bag from our roll right there, where we can cut it clean like so. So that is our fresh trash bag right there. So you just need to put it on top of our pressure ring like so. Just make sure there's some slack under it like that, so that it will be sealed when we place it on our trash can. Okay, so remember where the grooves are right there. So that will coincide all the grooves inside our trash can right there for both sides. So just install it like so. And there we go. We have successfully installed our pressure ring and our fresh sheet of trash bag. Now onto our lid right here. So this one is the part where that opens up like so. Yes, and that's the hinge right there. And on this side right there, that is the control panel right there. That is the on and off switch. On the left On the middle right here are the sensors. And then this one, the last button, is the physical button which can open and close our automatic sensor trash can. Right there. Underneath is where we can put our batteries right there. So again, we need 4 AA batteries for this to work. And I've shown you earlier our battery compartment cover. Let's open that up and install our batteries. So after installing the batteries, our trash can right there is sealed. It is designed not to seep out any odors, but if we do want that option, we have that option right here. We can open this one up like so. There, so we can put our deodorizer pills or tablets right there and close it up the same way. So there you go. So we install the batteries, and I have put the lid of our automatic sensor trash can right here back on top. Press on the power button right here, the button on the left. There you go. Blue light is blinking, meaning it is now on. So there are 3 ways which we can use our trash can, or we can open the lid automatically. So first one, the easiest one, is to use the open and close button right there. To open, push the button. Oh, and of course, forgot to tell you that the LED light is built in right there on our trash can. So every time you open the lid, you will see the blue light to shine for you, so you can see the trash can clearly. So when we use the open and close button right there, this will not automatically close. So you have to press it one more time to close the lid. The second is using our sensors. So we have sensors right there on the control panel on top. All you need to do is do a swipe to open the lid, like so. So when you use the swipe feature, the lid automatically closes. You do not have to do anything else, not like the open and close button which we have used earlier. So the third way is to knock our trash can's body. Just give it a little knock like this, and it opens up just like when we use the sensor, right? So it also would be automatically closing, like right there. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our quick unboxing and review of this 16 liters automatic sensor trash can with LED lights. So again, we need 4 AA batteries to make it work. And of course, there's a built-in blue LED light right there. And we have 3 ways to open our lid. Open and close button, sensor, and the knock function. There we go. Of course, we also like the built-in trash bag box. If you have comments and inquiries, please put them down below. So please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our tech reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.